Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built glider kit cabin chassis to show you. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 393,000 total miles on the truck with a fresh $30,000 engine overhaul. I've gotten hot this afternoon. Going to show you underneath the hood and finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Frame rails are nice and clean. Got 315s on the front. Body and paint looks pretty good, but you got a few flaws there. You got a scratch on the very top of the hood. Front end, the grill surround, fenders, all of that's in really good shape. Only other paint flaws I've seen, a little bit of scratching right there where they took some letters off. Double frame. All aluminum wheels, excellent virgin rubber, air track suspension. Good brakes as well. If you need to mount some form of body, this would be a great option, pre-emissions. On this side here, you've got, again, where some knucklehead has got taking a razor blade, taking the names off. You got some scratching right up on top. Interior's nice and clean. Floor's clean. There's your total miles and hours. Good low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. And oil pressure jumps up just like it's supposed to. Guys, if you like or appreciate this video, let me know. If you got any more questions, give me a shout out, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.